Does your phone do that too? If like someone messages you and then like 2 minutes go by, it'll ding again?
Yes.
Okay, because I always think someone double texts me, but that's not the case.
And then I usually get really annoyed by it because I chose to ignore it the first time and then I had to ignore it again on purpose. It's like guilt tripping me.
Exactly. I love that. I learned how to turn off my lights.
How long have you had this car now?
March.
Guess it's better late than never.
Because I never really needed it.
I guess that's fair.
Off.
I'm assuming they're automatic otherwise.
Wanna go through it again? But the other way?
Yeah.
I gotta turn it on since...
No, it's so dangerous, Steve. just fell completely out of your lap.
Happy New Year, buddy! Yay! That's what's up!
2025!
Yeah! Funny. What's up? You gotta do a snap.